Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Charliette. Charliette is here 1 year after her procedure here at Natural Transplants. And as you can see from the before and after videos, night and day in terms of how it looks. She has a hairline now, edges. She's pulling her hair back, feeling good about life and her hair. But from your own experience, how was your entire experience here? And then tell us what you think about the results.
Oh my gosh, guys. This experience was actually amazing. I'm in Dallas Fort Worth area, so we flew from Dallas to Fort Lauderdale for the procedure. Guys, it was just amazing how they were able to accommodate me, making sure that I was comfortable. Keep in mind you're already a little nervous. Trying to calm me down and comfort me was amazing. We watched Martin, y'all. Um we watched Martin the whole time. It was fantastic. The process was fantastic, guys. So it's not as bad as what most people think. I think most people think like, oh, this is gonna be horrible. But it's not. It's not as bad as what you think.
So I'm glad to hear it wasn't bad at all. And until I mean, you actually came in a little bit earlier than most people come in. You were saying even around 2, 3 months, you were kind of seeing the hair starting to
Yes.
come in. So just so people know, that's a little bit unusual. Most people will start growing around 3 to 4 months, and then slowly thicken up. So if anything, she was ahead of schedule, which is great for her. But let's model your hair a little bit. Maybe just
Okay.
start from the front, just chin down a little bit. Let me just kind of see the front. Yeah, just hold it right there. Perfect. And then slowly bring it back to neutral again. Yep. And then if you just turn to one side, perfect. Are you able to pull your hair back a little bit on that side? Just kind
Yep.
of, yep. And then kind of, yep, exactly. And then slowly go around the other side. There we go. Perfect. Look how that reframes your face in such a natural way. You don't
Right.
look like anyone that's ever had any hair loss. Uh,
No. And it was
and
bad. And he would show you the pictures. It was pretty bad. It was pretty bad, y'all. It was literally gone from this
yeah,
side from getting long term braids and things of that nature that I did not need, which I'm not getting anymore. I can't.
that's right.
Yeah.
If you're going to go through this, you have to commit to not going back to those traction
Right.
styles because you can lose it again. So, um,
Exactly.
any issues with, everyone's worried about the cut in the back and the scarring?
No.
Any problems there?
No problems with the scar. My husband can't find it. I
Perfect.
washed my hair the other day. I had him to look for it. He cannot find it like at
Right.
all.
Yep.
It's not there. Yep.
Yep.
Y'all, that part you don't have to worry about that.
Right.
I can
And your
actually
hair
cut my
shows.
hair short if I wanted to because it's
Right.
not there. Yeah.
Right. And everyone also think, oh, if I take the hair from the back, I'm not going to have any hair left in the back. It's going to be all,
That's not true.
you don't miss it. You don't even know it's
Mm-mm.
gone. Right. Exactly.
You don't
Yep.
know. You don't know it's gone.
Yep.
And it's
Yep.
like from the scar from the way it healed, it's not there. It's gone.
Yep. Yep. Awesome. Awesome. Well, so happy that you were able to do this. And thank you for showing your process and showing your results. I'm sure this will help somebody in their journey and their process as well in their research. If someone was on the fence about doing a hair transplant for traction alopecia, or any type of alopecia, what would you tell them?
Guys, I would say get off the fence because I went in with the expectation like nothing was gonna happen. I did. I really did. I really truly did. I was like, this been going on for 20 plus years. Yeah, it's at minimum I might have a little hair growing back. I never thought it would be like this though. And I will tell you guys, this is the first summer that I'm going to be able to go out and go swim without my hair on. Because I
That's
can take this
awesome.
hair off and still have hair. You see what I'm saying? But yeah, that's what I would tell you guys. Go ahead and just do it. Do it for you. I've been battling with this for probably about 20, 25 plus years. And then when I was a kid, like I said, I didn't even have hair like this when I was younger. So it's been like a lifetime cycle of trying to cover this up and do this and do that and all of those different things and being embarrassed to even go to the pool because I have to wear my wig to the pool and all that type of stuff. Guys, get off the fence. Get off the fence and get this done like yesterday. And he has payment options too as well for those who wants to break up the payment. So I'm telling you, it's well worth it.
Right, right, right. We can definitely work with you financially to get the payment down every month if you need to do financing or whatnot. So, um, Charlie, thank you so much for everything, and
Thank you.
enjoy your hair.
Man,
it. And we'll be in touch. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.